Gautam of class 9B and I am the host for today's morning assembly. Prayer. It's a peace of mind, hope of heart and enlightenment of the soul. So to enlighten our soul, I would like to call my classmates to come forward for the prayer song.
You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there by my side. You are there, oh Lord, both day and night. You are with me in my mother's womb. You are with me in the days of gloom. You have me stand against all odds that you feel me with your tender love.
My country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage, culture, language and religion.
To one and all present here. I am Hasani Pula from class 9B, standing in front of you to deliver the morning top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, over 200 dead, many more missing after Congo flood. Indian scientists led team witness star enveloping Jupiter-sized planet. Secondly, here are some sport news. KL Rahul ruled over of IPL 2023. Lionel Messi to leave PSG at the end of the 2020 season.
A very warm and delightful morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Kajin Sultan from class 9B, standing here to speak out the featured events held on this day in history. May 8 is the 128th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. There are 237 days remaining until the end of this year. This day is also known as World Red Cross Day and World Crescent Day. On this day in 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton first sells a carbonated beverage named Coca-Cola as a patent medicine. On this day in 1927, attempting to make the first non-stop transatlantic flight from Paris to New York, French war heroes disappeared after taking off aboard the White Bird flight.
How long our words will stay in someone's mind. Even long after we have forgotten we spoke them. So we must choose and use our words wisely. Good morning to one and all present here. Today I am here to share my views on the topic rightly think before we speak. First of all, what it means thinking before we speak. Thinking before we speak means that we are showing others that we are considerate and respectful. Thinking before we speak is a really good habit to develop to avoid causing trouble in our lives. We should always think before we speak to avoid hurting to others, those around us. Otherwise, we may be potentially lost them. What it means to think before we speak. When we think before we speak, we carefully examine the words we choose to say until we are sure that it wouldn't hurt someone. Words can destroy someone's confidence and self-worth in one fraction of a moment.
Good morning everyone. Today's thought of the day is just believe in yourself even if you do not pretend that you do and some point you will say that Venezuela. Thank you.
And pleasant morning to Asian effort. I, Nisha Sarkar of class 9B, standing in front of you along with my classmates to conduct today's morning assembly. As we all know, God is a silent listener. He listens to our prayers and helps us if we trust Him. So, I request our student team to play a beautiful prayer song.
Good morning everyone present in this morning assembly. I, James from class 9B, is standing in front of you to deliver the top news headlines of the last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. Iran has 2 men for blasphemy, says the report. Donald Trump will not testify in New York rape defamation trial. British PM Rishi Sunak hosts coronation big lunch for community heroes. Finding gold mine killed at least 27 people. Secondly, here are some national news. Lithium reserve traced in Rajasthan raised hopes of reduced dependence on China.
History is the sum total of things that could have been avoided. A very good morning to one and all present here in this morning assembly. I am Ankur Upadhyay from class 9B, standing in front of you all to deliver the importance of today's date in history. 9th May is the 129th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 236 days remaining until the end of the year. This day was also celebrated as Russian Victory Day. On this day in 1864, the Danish Navy defeated the Austrian-Prussian fleets in the Battle of Helgoland in Second Schleswig War. On this day in 1866, Indian liberal political leader Gopal Krishna Gokhale was born. On this day in 1901, Australia opened its first national parliament in Melbourne. On this day in 1915, German and French forces fought the Battle of Artois.
Not about speaking. Sometimes it's all about listening. It's your turn. If you are not hearing, our today's speaker, Divya. Character is the real foundation of all worldwide success. A very pleasant morning to each and everyone present in this morning assembly. Myself, Divya of class 9B, standing in front of you all to bring up an inspiring speech on the topic character and success. Our character is very important for success in our life because it determines how well we can achieve our goals, whether others want to deal with us or not, and how well we fit in our groups. When we work hard and are determined to achieve our goals, we become more successful in what we do. When we deal with others fairly and honestly and show consideration for them, they will want to deal with us and even help us achieve our goals. And we brighten our morning, I'd like to call Indrajit for the thought of the day.
Good morning. Today's thought of the day is time is not measured by passing of years, but what one does, what one achieves, and what one feels. Said by Jawaharlal. Thank you.
Classmates for their wonderful performance. And now I'd like to call our respected Father Augustine to address the morning assembly.
Good morning, all of you. Yeah, I'd like to appreciate class 9B for conducting the assembly really well. It was well prepared and practiced and done well. So the assembly overall was good. So congratulations to all of those 4 people who go and courses as teacher who made them to do it. So once a man came to Socrates. Socrates, as you know, is one of the world famous philosophers. And one of the best teachers, considered as one of the best teachers. So what I want to indicate to him and told, I want to speak something against one of his students. And then Socrates asked me whether what you are going to say is any use to you. And then he said, no, it's not useful for me. Then Socrates asked me whether what you are going to say is any useful to the students about whom you are going to speak. And then that man said, no, it is not going to be of any use to the student as well. And again Socrates asked him whether what you are going to say is any useful to the society. Then that man said, no, it is not of any use to the society as well. And then Socrates told him, see, you are coming to complain about a student and something which is not useful for the student, something which is not useful for the society, and something which is not useful for the person as well. And therefore it is absolutely meaningless to speak about something like that, and therefore please go away. And so that many men were very disappointed. Children, the moral of the story is that gossiping involves around maybe finding fault with others, maybe revolves around some blunder of others, or maybe revolves around some failures of others. In either cases, in any of these cases, we are speaking about others. You just imagine if somebody is speaking against you or about you to others, you will definitely feel bad if there is no substance or truth in it. And the same consideration should be given to others, whether it is your friend or whether it is other person whom you study about. Gossiping is very easy. Without knowing the fact, we can simply speak about the other person. We can go to them, and although that person has no chance to be the names of you are without his hearing, you are going to speak about others to somebody else.
Respected father, sister, teachers, and all my dear Bosconians, I, Supriya Karthik from class 9B, stands in front of you who was today's morning assembly.
Indian country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love the country and I am proud of its rich and rare culture, language, and religions. A very happy morning to one now present here. Today I am here to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. So first we begin with the international news. SCs reject PTI petition selecting High Court verdict on Imran Khan's arrest. Donald Trump's first response after evening's quarrels, sex abuse verdict. Words at turning points, war has been unleashed against Russia attempt. Syria is worried about the political turmoil in Pakistan. Secondly, here are some national news. Prime Minister ESSC 10th result 2023 86.6. Some sports news. Odisha extends Indian hockey team resources till 2033. Asian Cup set to be moved from Pakistan to Sri Lanka. Fourth state has a big desire to play ODI World Cup in England. Here I would like to end today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
Is the study of life in society in the past in all its aspects, relation to present development and future growth. Good morning to each and everyone present here this morning. I am Sima Sharma, student of class 9B, standing in front of you all to deliver the importance of place 8 in history. May 11 is 131 day in the year in the Gregorian calendar, and there are 234 days remaining until the end of this year. This day is also known as the National Technology Day. On this day, in December 2027, Indian rebels signed with the British. On this day, in 1887, people were killed in commercial slaughter in Yeager, California. On this day, in 2013, 43 people were killed and over 100 people were injured in two car bombing in Indonesia. On this day, in 1894, an American dancer and choreographer Martha Brown was born. On this day, in 1894.
And everyone, respected father, member teaching staff, non-teaching staff, and your my dear friends. I am Dipanko Doyer from class 9B, present here to give a short speech on the topic self-confidence. Self-confidence is an undoubtable key to success. It helps a person to feel independent and positive in life. With this characteristic, a person can easily deal with difficulties in life. With this few words, I end up my speech and thank you. And I in the morning assembly.
Today's thought of the day is the greatest glory lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Said by Nelson Mandela. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, you country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and rare heritage, culture, language, and religions. I feel blessed, especially I'm present here in this morning assembly, respected principals, teachers, and you all are my friends. I am Jaya Police, student of class 9B, standing in front of you all to deliver the job news headlines of last 24 hours. Starting with some international news. Imran Khan gave bail day after the Supreme Court called arrest illegal. 5 senior Delta commanders killed by Israeli force. Rocket strike force first dead in Israel. Russia reveals 2 reasons for Ukraine invasion, thus US lead NATO alliance for Croatia. Secondly, here is some national news. Karnataka election, BJP has accepted its defeat. Congress leader Ranjit Srinivas about JDS alliance he formed to roast sexual harassment allegations against WSI chief Dinesh Kusan Singh. PM Modi to visit Gujarat today will inaugurate.
History doesn't belong to us, but we belong to it. A very good morning to each and everyone present here. I am Parikshita Gautam of class 9B, and I am standing here to speak about the events held on this day in history. May 13 is the 133rd day of the year in the Gregorian calendar, and 232 days remaining until the end of this year. This day is remembered as the Day of Fatima, where the Blessed Virgin Mary appears to three children, namely Rosia, Francisco, and Jacinta at Fatima. On this day in 1931, Paul Domar was elected as the President of France by
My name
Parliament.
is Surajita from class